Good afternoon, best wish to all of us. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tommy Orisko Tambun with NPM 2231222. Today I want to explain about backtracking. Backtracking is a general algorithm for solving some computational problem, especially constraint satisfaction problems, that gradually build up candidates for a solution and abandons candidate backtracks as soon as it is determined that the candidate cannot be resolved into a reasonable solution. Backtracking algorithms are used in various applications, including the n-queen problem, the Knight's Tour problem, the maze solving problem, and searching for all Hamiltonian paths in a graph. About backtracking. Backtracking is an algorithm technique whose goal is to use brute force to find all the solutions to a problem. It requires a gradual completion for all possible solutions. Because a problem has constraints, solutions that do not meet this constraint will be eliminated. Backtracking algorithm. The backtracking algorithm uses a depth-first search method. When the algorithm begins to explore solution, an abundance function is applied so that the algorithm can determine whether the proposed solution satisfies the constraint. If so, he will keep looking, otherwise the branch is deleted and the algorithm returns to the previous level. A space state tree is a tree that represents all possible states of a problem, starting from the root as the initial state to the leaves as the final state. And this is the example. And then, how does the backtracking algorithm work? In any backtracking algorithm, the algorithm searches for a path to a feasible solution that includes several intermediate checkpoints. If the checkpoint does not produce a viable solution, the problem can return to the checkpoint and take another path to finding a solution. Consider the following scenario. And this is the example of scenario. How the backtracking algorithm works? In this case, S represents the starting point of the problem. You start at S and proceed to solution S1 through the midpoint of 1. However, you find that solution S1 is not the correct solution to our problem. As a result, you step back from S1 back to M1, back to S, and then look for a feasible solution S2. This process is repeated until you get a workable solution. And then S1 and S2 are not the right choice in this case. Based on this example, only S3 is a feasible solution. When you look at this example, you can see that we checked all possible combinations until you found the right solution. In effect, you call backtracking a brute force algorithmic technique. And then a state space tree is a tree representation of the above problem. It represents all possible states of a particular problem or solution or non-solution. The final algorithm. Step 1. Return success if the current point is a viable solution. Step 2. Otherwise, if all paths have been exhausted or current point is the endpoint. Return failure because there is no feasible solution. Step 3. If the current point is not the endpoint, trace back and explore another point, then repeat the previous step. Type of backtracking algorithm. 1. Recursive backtracking algorithm. A recursive backtracking algorithm is an approach where a function calls itself to complete two tasks. In the context of backward tracing, this algorithm is generally used to explore or search a data structure or problem by moving from the current state of the previous state. And number 2, non-recursive backtracking algorithm. Non-recursive backtracking algorithm is an approach to solving selection problem systematically without using recursion. Following are the general steps for a non-recursive backtracking algorithm. That's all I can say. Thank you.